Hello guys, in this video you will learn what you will learn in this short video: how to open custom links into a new tab or window in WordPress, and how to enable link targets options. Actually, link target options, how to enable link target options in the green options of the WordPress dashboard. So let's begin. Actually, I want to open these tabs into uh, new tab. And here you can see that there is a no option to open these links into new tab. So how to enable how to activate these menu items to be open into new tab? What we have to do, we will go to screen options, and under these options you have to see the advanced menu properties. Check this. Now you will be able to see open this menu tab into open link in new tab. Check this, and also check this. Now I am going to save this menu. Now I will have to refresh the page. Control F5. So let's see. When I click the menu, it opened into new tab. So that's enough for today. Thank you for watching.